In this video, I'll be sharing with you a tutorial on how to make a 3D applique wire work. So if this is something you like, kindly hit on the subscribe button, give this video a thumbs up, leave your comment at the comment section. So let's dive right into today's video. So to start, here is my wire, which is 0.05, and here is the mixture of straw bead and glass bead that I'll be using. Now you want to bring out your wire, the measurement you'll be needing. So I'm just making something very small for this tutorial, and I'll just go ahead to cut this out. So after cutting this out, I'll start passing my bead. So I don't have any design in mind. I'll just make a free anything that comes to mind. So first I'll start by passing my bead, and I'll go ahead to twist it. So after twisting it, I'll open up the branches and I'll start passing another bead into it this way, which I'll go ahead to twist. So after this, you go ahead to pass another bead and you're going to go ahead to twist it. So I just passed 3 beads now, and after passing each one, I went ahead to twist it to create a branch. So I will be putting this together and I'll pass my bead through it. I passed my straw bead. I folded 2 of my beads together and I passed my straw bead. So now I'll go ahead and wrap it around. After doing that, I'll pass the other bead. I'll be passing 3 of this green bead that I have here, and I will leave a space, then go ahead to twist it a little. That is creating another branch, and I'll go ahead to twist that. After I'm done twisting it, I'll be passing another bead again, about 3, and I'll go ahead to twist it this way, thereby creating another branch on it. Then I'll go ahead to twist. After twisting, I'll go ahead to twist the wire this way to make sure that the bead is sitting properly on the wire. Now I'll go ahead to take another bead and I will start passing through again. So I'll continue doing this till I create the design or how long you want this branch or your bead to stay. So this is the part that is staying at the center of the applique. So I'm going to go ahead to pick another bead on this other side, pass like 3 beads, and I'm going to fold my wire, then go ahead to twist. So after twisting this, right, this is what I have, and I'll go ahead to introduce another branch to this side, which I'll go ahead to pass about 4 of my straw beads, and I'll fold my wire this way and I'll start twisting. So I want to create another branch that is not on the same lane with the other side. So I'm just creating this design with what comes to mind. You can go ahead to sketch out what you want to make, or you can just make what comes to mind. So that is actually what I'm doing here. Now I'll also pass another bead, then twist it. After twisting it, I'll be taking it back to the other branch and I'll twist it together again. Go ahead to pass my bead again and I'll go ahead to also twist it. So after twisting it, I'll twist it back to the same branch. So I'll just go ahead and twist it back to the first branch. So after twisting it, this is what I have. Now I'll go ahead to create another branch by adding a bead to it, and after I'm done passing that bead, I'll go ahead to twist it back this way. So after I'm done twisting that last one, I will now merge it with the first branch that I have. So after I'm done twisting it together, I'll go ahead to pass another bead. So I'll follow the same process which I used in creating the other ones to also do this, and I'll twist it back. So I'll keep on creating branches just like we have done previously. And after I was done adding extra branches to this is what I have, and I'll keep it. Then we'll go ahead to create the petals. So I'll just go ahead to draw out this line. I'll go ahead to draw out this mini box, and I'll divide it into 4. So from here, I'll go ahead to place my tape and measure about 2 inches. Also measure 2 inches here, connect, and I will extend. So after I was done drawing out these petals or leaf design, I felt it was too big because of the wire work I had was very small. So I went ahead to trim it off. Even after making it, I still felt like it was a bit big. I had to trim it off. Even after sewing, I felt it was still big, but this is a tutorial and I'm not actually using it. So I went ahead to reduce it, and I placed it on another fabric, and I cut out 2 pieces on each of this fabric. So after this, I went ahead to iron a stay on it. I ironed a gum stay on each of these part of my petals or leaf. So that then on the other tree, I left it that way. That is what I'll be using to cover it. So I wanted one to have a little interfacing. So now I went ahead to apply my gum to it. So my gum was a bit congealed. Air entered the bottle, so I just had to use my scissors to bring it out a little, and I applied it. So I'm going to be adding my wire to it. You can add it single this way, or you can fold it, but I prefer folding mine to give it more stability. So when you're placing your iron, you can take it almost to the top, or you can just leave it at the midpoint, depending on the effect you want on the petal, sorry, depending on the effect you want on the petal. With this wire work in between, you can go ahead to bend it over any way you like. So I'm just going to place this also, and I'll be attaching a hemming gum or placing a hemming gum on it. So I'll be ironing the other parts on this, the other part of the fabric to this side that has the wire work on it. So if you feel that this hemming gum will not hold what you want, you can add little gum on it and then iron with your hemming gum. Then whatever you're using, whether you're using a gum or hemming gum, after you're done ironing, make sure you top stitch round your petals. That way, even if you soak it in water, it will not really come out. That stitch will hold it for a longer period. So because I'm not really using this, I just went ahead to trim it off. So you can also burn the edges of this pattern. Now I'm going to pick the petal, and I'm going to start attaching it to the bead wire work that we have. So you can use this or add it in any dimension that you want the petals to be, or create any design of your choice. So after attaching this, I went ahead to attach the other one, and after attaching this, I'll just attach the other one. So just like I said, I had no design in mind. I was just working with what came to my mind, and you can go ahead to attach the petals, go ahead to create more petals and create more designs the way you want. So this is just a free tutorial out of what came out of my mind to create like a 3D applique design. So you can use this to design your corset, your bustier, or any dress of your choice. So to also tack this down, all you have to do is use your needle and thread and tack it down. To tack it down is actually very easy. So with this, we have come to the end of today's tutorial. If you find this video very interesting and educative, kindly hit on the subscribe button, give this video a thumbs up, and join us in our next video. Thanks.